Learning the drone while skiing had a lot of problems associated with it. One of which is I couldn't use my ski poles because I had to hold the drone's controller. Another was I wasn't too familiar with the skiing tracks in this area. Here, though, I'm using DJI's AutoTrack in auto mode to follow me. I think it did a fabulous job of catching some different angles as I skied along. My skiing goal for this trip was to make it out to Lakeview Point, and this is why it's called Lakeview Point. I think the drone adds to the view because you can do fun things like fly past trees. This view is looking south towards Sand Harbor State Park. This is the blooper reel. I've got the drone locked on and following me, but it's going to start making some pretty interesting choices about which way to go. Yeah, can't go that way. And then it goes around here, but by this time it's already lost me. Luckily, it just starts hovering in place. After a little bit of trial and error, I did get it to lock onto me and follow me using AutoTrack. In this mode, the drone is making all the decisions about how to navigate around the different obstacles like trees. I'm just skiing and listening to the beep, 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 beep as it starts to freak out when it comes close to an obstacle. I was told to slow down when it starts freaking out with a lot of beep, beep, beeps, and you can see later on I did slow down and let it catch up to me while it made decisions about how to navigate around the trees. One of the things that made learning the drone while skiing extremely difficult was combining the smooth stick movements necessary and the pounding heart rate of Nordic skiing. So I'm eternally grateful for the auto land feature that DJI has built into their drones. This is my buddy Ron. He was taking a lesson, so he didn't make it out to Lakeview Point. We'll see you there next time, Ron.